Okay. I just got home from the grocery store and I saw we've got another swarm. So let's try to catch this. You can hear the pigs, but we're going to try to catch this real quick. So I've been waiting for this all day long, and they finally waited until I left. I knew that was going to happen, but I'm just glad we were here. We got here before they left, because they was settled in. Like you can see down here at the bottom, they're all starting to go in. I know the pigs are screaming at us. This is a pretty small one. But I knew it was going to happen today. I was wanting to catch the swarm actually when they were coming out of the box so y'all could see it, but maybe next time. This was a lot smaller compared to the other one. That's okay. I'm going to leave them alone and let them get in here. I'm going to go and put the top on it. And we'll let them get in here. And we've got to go feed our pigs so they stop screaming. looks like all the bees have settled in, all gone into the hive. There's still a few flying around. There's also still a few flying around up here where the swarm was actually at. I don't know if y'all could hear me before because my pigs were screaming because they thought it was feeding time, and it's harder to talk over them. So I'm gonna talk now. I knew the swarm was going to happen, and I was wanting to catch a video of the swarm actually coming out of the hive. And of course, they did it when I was gone. And as soon as I got back, I had to run to the grocery store. And as soon as I got back, I just happened to look out my kitchen window and I saw the tree leaning over. It was a much smaller swarm. I didn't think we'd have another huge swarm like we did before, and that's okay. And a lot of times when a hive swarms the first time, a lot of times the second swarm will land in the same spot. So I was expecting them to land in this tree, which is awesome because it's so easy to get. I don't have to get on a ladder. We don't have to stand in the back of the truck. It's just easy. So I'm going to move this hive over next to the other one. And here in about a week, I'll check it again. Probably in a couple days, I'm going to check my other one. The one that swarmed about 2 weeks ago. To make sure that everything's going okay in there. They're super active though. So I'm glad I got another swarm for y'all, but I was really wanting to catch them actually coming out of the hive and videoing the whole event because it's pretty neat to watch. But hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna wait until they all go in. I'll probably wait until tonight to actually move this hive since they're kind of just going in and out. So I'll probably wait till this evening once they've all gone in and settled in to move this over where I need it to be. Because if I was to move right now, these bees out here would be kind of confused and lost. So we'll wait till tonight once they all go into the hive and we'll get it moved. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. Thanks.